Hi, electric scooter man in the house. Hopefully y'all can hear me a little louder. And so yeah, I got this today, and I know what it is, and I'm gonna explain it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And this is probably the Pete Rose jersey that was given away for free for the Reds fans, and on May 14th. And this is one they wore in 1975-1976 season, and it's got the Forever 14 on the bottom of it. So I know I got another Pete Rose jersey, so I'm trying to find the exact match as my pants I'm gonna wear at Halloween. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear this at Halloween. And I got two shirts I can wear. So yeah, I may have to put this in my collection. So we'll see how it goes. So and this is the one I won the bid on eBay. So hopefully this thing's got glue or something on it. I mean, yeah, my other Pete Rose jersey is darker than what's in my the pants I have. It's like a nice polyester fabric and quality too. And here it is. So yeah, definitely keep this. It is an extra large t-shirt. It looks nice, isn't it? Yep, and the Pete Rose. And it's got that 14 Forever on the bottom. It was, so he did pass away last year. And it's a pretty nice jersey though for a Pete Rose. This could be the last Pete Rose jersey I'm gonna buy. I'm trying to buy Cincinnati Reds with the 1990 World Series. It's got the American flag patch, but I may not buy it, so they're too expensive. So and yet you know, I might sold 4 jerseys a couple weeks ago. I was like, I might as well buy some more, and if I don't like it, I'll sell it to somebody. But I definitely want to keep this. This is the replica jersey from the 1970s they wore, and to honor him, and they get these away for free and for the Cincinnati Reds fans. I know the reason why I like the Cincinnati Reds, because I like their uniforms way back in the day. You know, I got the pants, and so yeah, this will match this hopefully. So yeah. So I know it's cool outside, it's windy outside, so I have the time to do this, and I've been busy today, so anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now.